Hello everybody, welcome back to HD Interiors. Modern kitchen cabinets are more than just storage, they're the foundation of a kitchen's entire personality. Whether you love a sleek, minimalist space or something a bit warmer with natural textures, the right cabinet design can make all the difference. In this video, we'll explore a curated selection of modern cabinet styles that combine functionality with elegant design. From flat panels to floating bases, every idea is crafted to inspire a kitchen that feels clean, timeless, and uniquely yours, regardless of trends or passing styles. Thoughtfully designed cabinets can elevate your space, enhance daily living, and bring lasting beauty into the heart of your home. Flat panel cabinet doors, also known as slab cabinets, are a cornerstone of modern kitchen design. Their smooth, unembellished surface offers a clean, streamlined look that works beautifully in both minimalist and contemporary interiors. These doors are all about simplicity, no grooves, no raised borders, just pure, flat elegance. They pair effortlessly with a wide range of finishes, from matte white and soft neutrals to rich wood tones and high-gloss lacquer. The absence of ornamentation makes them easy to maintain and perfect for creating that sleek, uncluttered aesthetic many homeowners love. Flat panel cabinets offer a timeless appeal that continues to be both stylish and practical. Handleless cabinets are a hallmark of ultramodern kitchen design, offering a clean and uninterrupted look that emphasizes simplicity and flow. Without visible knobs or pulls, the cabinetry appears sleek and streamlined, making the space feel more open and contemporary. These cabinets typically use push-to-open mechanisms or integrated recessed handles that are built into the cabinet edges. The result is a clutter-free appearance that works especially well in minimalist kitchens. Beyond aesthetics, handleless cabinets are also practical. They're easy to clean and reduce the risk of snagging clothing or bumping into protruding hardware. They're a smart choice for anyone looking to create a refined and modern kitchen environment. Blending open shelving with closed cabinets creates a kitchen that feels both functional and inviting. This combination allows you to showcase decorative pieces, everyday dishes, or glassware on open shelves, while keeping less attractive items hidden behind cabinet doors. It brings a sense of balance, openness without sacrificing storage. Open shelves can also break up long cabinet runs, adding visual interest and a lighter feel to the space. Whether you choose floating wood shelves for warmth or metal brackets for a modern edge, pairing them with clean-lined cabinetry adds personality while maintaining order. This mix not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your kitchen but also allows you to style and organize your space with greater flexibility. It's a versatile approach that adapts easily to various design preferences and kitchen layouts. Natural wood finishes bring warmth, texture, and a grounded feeling to modern kitchens. From light oak and ash to rich walnut and teak, Wood cabinetry adds organic character without compromising on contemporary style. The beauty lies in the grain, the subtle patterns and tones that make each cabinet unique and timeless. Whether used throughout the kitchen or as an accent on an island or upper cabinets, wood finishes pair well with everything from matte blacks to soft whites and metals. They're also incredibly versatile, working beautifully in minimalist, Scandinavian, Japandi, or even industrial-inspired interiors. Choosing natural wood helps soften sleek designs, creating a space that feels both modern and welcoming. Floor-to-ceiling cabinetry is a smart and stylish solution for maximizing storage while creating a clean, unified look. By extending cabinets all the way to the ceiling, you eliminate awkward gaps and make use of every available inch, ideal for storing seasonal items, extra cookware, or bulk pantry supplies. This design also draws the eye upward, making the kitchen feel taller and more expansive. It's especially effective in smaller spaces or open-plan layouts where clutter needs to be kept out of sight. With the right finishes, these tall cabinets can become a striking visual element that blends seamlessly into the kitchen or acts as a bold statement wall. The result is a functional yet elegant design that feels tailored and intentional. Glass front cabinets and frosted panels offer a clever way to introduce a sense of openness without fully committing to open shelving. Glass front cabinets allow you to display beautiful dishware, glassware, or decorative pieces while keeping the rest of your kitchen items neatly tucked away. The transparency of the glass adds a light and airy feel, making your space feel bigger and more inviting. For those who prefer a little more privacy, frosted glass panels are a great option. They provide a soft, elegant look while still allowing light to filter through, creating a balance between open and closed storage. This design works beautifully in both traditional and modern kitchens, offering a stylish and functional solution for showcasing your kitchen essentials while maintaining a clean, organized environment. Floating base cabinets are a modern design trend that adds a touch of sophistication while creating the illusion of more space. These wall-mounted cabinets are suspended off the floor, giving your kitchen a sleek, airy feel. The open space beneath makes cleaning easier, allowing you to sweep or mop without any obstacles. This design is particularly appealing in smaller kitchens or spaces where maximizing visual openness is a priority. The floating effect draws attention to the clean lines of the cabinetry while maintaining a minimalist vibe. Whether paired with bold colors or natural wood finishes, floating base cabinets enhance the overall aesthetic, making the kitchen feel more spacious and less cluttered. Built-in lighting within cabinets elevates the functionality and atmosphere of your kitchen. Adding under-cabinet lighting, LED strips, or even integrated cabinet lights not only brightens up dark corners but also highlights the beauty of your cabinetry and countertops. It's a simple yet impactful way to enhance the overall ambience, especially in the evenings or during low-light hours. Built-in lighting can also be placed inside glass front cabinets to illuminate your favorite glassware or decorative items, giving them an elegant glow. With smart lighting options, you can even adjust the brightness and color temperature to match your mood or cooking tasks. This design element combines practicality with style, ensuring your kitchen looks stunning both day and night. The modern kitchen cabinet designs offer an incredible variety of options to enhance both the functionality and aesthetic of your space. From the clean lines of flat panel doors to the timeless warmth of natural wood finishes, each design brings something unique to the table. Whether you're drawn to the sleek appeal of handleless cabinets, the visual interest of two-tone designs, or the practicality of floor-to-ceiling storage, there's a perfect solution for every kitchen. By incorporating thoughtful details like built-in lighting or floating base cabinets, you can create a sophisticated, organized space that meets your needs and elevates your home. If you found these ideas inspiring, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to HD Interiors for more expert tips and design trends. Your support helps us bring more creative content to transform your spaces. Leave a comment below with your favorite design, and let us know how you're planning to update your kitchen. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.